Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's have a quick look at some of the option strategies that have been used and can be used. If higher prices are to be expected, buying call and selling put vertical may be suitable. If lower prices are to be expected, buying put and selling call vertical may be suitable. If the price is expected to be range bound, buying a butterfly and selling iron condor can be used to capture the profits. If the price is expected to be range bound and also has the potential to move in a direction, it could be a bullish direction or a bearish direction. Buying a broken wing butterfly can be used to capture the profits. More strategies and explanations can be seen from the website. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. For this play, I would like to enter a bearish trade as big money has placed an important hedge into the indices. I would expect the price of SPX to have some weaknesses in the coming days. Entry is on 7 March, with exit on 23rd March. In summary, this is a bearish trade that has entry price of $4.50 and exit price of $6. Knowing the movement of the big money enables me to know in advance of the incoming downfall of the index, and thus creates the success for this trade. A nice 33% gain for this trade within 16 days. This is a continuation of the big money bearish play. I would expect the price of SPY to have further downwards pressure. Entry is on 23rd March with exit on 28th March. In summary, this is a bearish trade that has entry price of 66 cents and exit price of $1.11. Knowing the movement of the big money provides me with an insight of what is going to happen in the future. A nice 68% gain for this trade within 5 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MTCH and S&P 500. The top chart is S&P 500 and the bottom chart is MTCH. As you may have observed, despite SPX turning negative, MTCH was making new highs. For this play, I would like to enter a bullish trade. I would expect the price of MTCH to continue its upwards move even if S&P 500 is coming down. Entry is on 13 March with exit on 16 March. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $3.15 and exit price of $4.23. Understanding the price movement of a stock versus the movement of the index creates a success in this trade. A nice 35% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of FDX. For this play, I'll be playing the volatility crush on earnings announcement. So on earnings day, the volatility will be down. And thus, I will expect the inflated option price to be lower as well. Entry is on 20th March with exit on 21st March. In summary, this is a neutral trade that has entry price of $3.40 credit and exit price of $2.20. Understanding the option price reaction on earnings day as well as before earnings day creates the success in this trade. A nice 35% gain for this trade within 1 day. Let's have a look at the chart of WMT. For this play, I would like to enter into a neutral bullish trade as the price has once again dropped to the support level of $87.50. I would expect price to bounce off at this level. A lot of premium is in options due to the massive selling previously. Thus, I've opened a sell vertical put at this level. Entry is on 2nd March and exit on 3rd March. In summary, this is a neutral bullish trade there's entry price of $1.02 credit and exit price of 66 cents. Understanding the price levels of a stock and utilizing the suitable strategy to capture the massive options premium creates a success in this trade. A nice 35% gain for this trade within 1 day. Let's have a look at the chart of AMZN. In this play, I've seen an overextended price movement in AMZN, and thus I placed a short-term credit spread with expectation for the price not to move any further to the upside. Entry is on 20th March with exit on 23rd March. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade. There's entry price of $1.30 credit and exit price of 90 cents. Understanding the overstretched price in certain stocks creates the success in this trade. A nice 30% gain for this trade within 3 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under trade, portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.